In this guide, we are going over everything that you need to know about the World High Voltage in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is a legendary rarity stand, and it improves on many of the abilities from the world. It's strong at both close range and medium range, thanks to the mix of melee attacks and ranged abilities, and one of the main reasons this stand is so powerful is its time stop ability. When you activate the time stop, the game's going to freeze for 5 seconds, meaning that your opponent cannot move while you attack freely. During that window, you can deal massive damage and burst damage, and sometimes even finish the fight immediately. And because of how strong the ability is, many players build their entire playstyle around using the time stop as often as possible. Some players are even going to open fights by activating the time stop right away to gain an early advantage, and since time stop is so important, the cooldown reduction builds are going to work extremely well with the stand. For example, you can use the Elegant Personality, and it's a great choice because it reduces stand cooldown by 10% while also increasing movement speed and slightly boosting damage. Another useful item is the Boss's Watch accessory, which extends time stop by 1 extra second, making the ability even stronger. And the moveset is absolutely insane. You got Barrage, Spin Kick, Revolver Barrage, Knives, Time Stop, which is obviously the best, Gunpowder Smoke Bomb, and because of its high burst damage and strong abilities, this is by far one of the strongest stands for PvP. During time stop, you can completely control the battlefield and deal a ton of damage without being interrupted. In PvE, stands are also going to perform pretty well against single targets like raid bosses or mini bosses, since the time stop lets you drain their health pretty quickly. However, the main weakness is that it does not have very good crowd control, meaning that farming large groups of enemies is going to be a little bit slower. Also, when you do first unlock it, you are going to have to grind the stand conjuration to unlock time stop, which can take some time. But that is everything that you need to know about the World High Voltage here in Bizarre Lineage. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.